Are you preparing for RBI Grade B 2024? And are you having many of the questions which are related to overall selection procedure of RBI Grade B 2024? Do you think that you are having doubts related to your eligibility criteria for RBI Grade B 2024? Are you having doubts related to how to fill the application form? Are you ready to give RBI Grade B Phase 1 examination? Will you get selected in the examination process or not? If you are having multiple doubts associated with the overall process of being an RBI Grade B officer, don't worry, we Olive Board have brought a special solution for all your doubts, and that is nothing but RBI Grade B 2024 mock recruitment drive. And this is nothing but it is a complete selection process from filling your application form, giving phase 1 examination, getting selected and then giving phase 2 examination. Then whatever students would clear phase 2 will get interview chance, and then you will also have a list of final RBI Grade B selected officers. This would be one of the mock recruitment processes before the main RBI Grade B 2024 exam. So if you are having any fright or any fear which is related to overall selection procedure of RBI Grade B, चाहे फिर छोटा सा एक एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल करना हो, आपकी एलिजिबिलिटी है कि नहीं, क्या आप फेज 1 के लिए डरते हो, ऐसे कोई भी अगर डाउट्स हो तो ये सारे डाउट्स आप इसी प्रोसेस, एक कंप्लीट सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में कवर कर सकते हो और आप कॉन्फिडेंट भी हो सकते हो जस्ट बाय गिविंग दिस प्री RBI Grade B 2024 exam. So if you see this mock recruitment drive, it's starting today on 11th of March, and you can fill the application forms on the link which has been given in the description in this video. 28 मार्च तक आपका registration है. From 11th March to 28th of March you can register, and there you can apply for your phase 1 examination. The date of phase 1 examination is 2nd of April. याद रखना, whatever students will be selected in phase 1 examination, 5th April is the date for phase 2 exam, and whatever students will get selected in phase 2 exam, they will get an interview call, और फिर final list भी आपकी टाइम से लगाई जाएगी. So here is an opportunity for all the students जिनका सिलेबस कंप्लीट हुआ है, for all of the students जिनको ये लगता है that before RBI Grade B main 2024 एग्जाम एक प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम या फिर प्रैक्टिस सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस की उनको बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत थी, तो उनके लिए भी, एंड फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर जस्ट प्रिपेयरिंग बट स्टिल दे वांट टू चेक द कंपटीशन, वो चेक करना चाहते हैं कि वेयर डू आई लाई इन दिस ओवरऑल ऑल ओवर इंडिया, मेरा प्रिपरेशन कितना है, मेरा रैंक कितना आएगा. ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू कैन नो बाय गेटिंग रजिस्टर्ड इन आवर मॉक रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव. इट इज वन ऑफ अ काइंड ड्राइव. एक मॉक टेस्ट नहीं है, 2 मॉक टेस्ट नहीं है, आपकी ओवरऑल प्रोसेस है, फेज 1 फेज 2 इंटरव्यू. ये आपके पास ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, यू आर हैविंग दिस रियली गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी वेयर यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑन द रियल टाइम बेसिस यू कैन go through the selection process of RBI in the dedicated real-time manner. So don't miss this opportunity. I'm telling you, and I'm repeating the dates again. From 11th of March to 28th of March is your registration process. Applications are open from today till 20th of March. Apply karo and prepare for phase 1. It's on 2nd of April. So this is all about the process. So if you have it in, if you are preparing for RBI Grade B 2024, then who's stopping you? Try to compete and know your ranks all over India through this selection mock recruitment drive. Thank you very much and see you next time. Everything, whatever details of registration, जो भी links है description box में इस वीडियो के दिए गए हैं. Go and register yourself and best of luck.